TimeSplitters!
Eternal life.
They pitch back.
Year is humankind finds itself locked in a mortal struggle with the
Sergeant Cortez!
An evil force bent on the destruction of the cat. Using the power of the time crystals, they travel through our history, pushing the cat to the very brink of extinction. With resistance weakening, our last hope lies with a small cat. The plan? To find
Sergeant Cortez!
And destroy them, ending the war.
Time to destroy the cat.
What the?
Any chance of a hand?
I say, what are you doing way out here, old chap?
I'm supposed to destroy the cat.
What the? You bounders! You is about to be bombed to Kingdom Come.
Why?
Did you let the cat out of the bag now?
Cat. Time to destroy the cat.
It's don't from hell. Jim!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Damn it! Wow, man! Who are you?
The name's Tipper, man. Harry Tipper.
Who is that?
That fat cat there is Kalos.
The cat in... Time to destroy the cat.
Don't blow our cover, man.
I'm supposed to destroy the cat.
Hey, don't hush out, dude. Hey, where you going, man?
Time to destroy the cat. Time to destroy the cat. Get down! I can...
Starboard turbine failure. Initiating emergency system. Warning.